Hey everyone, I'm Deborah Fit 550. As you may very well be aware, I am way up there in my 50s. And those of you that are there with me, and for a matter of fact, those of you that are not yet there, I'm here to tell you life is different as it pertains to our skin, our hair, and our bodies, you guys. Our weight definitely changes as we mature in age. So I am constantly looking for ways to be a better and more fit me. So I came into this year with the mind that I would undertake another project that would help me do exactly that. And you guys, I am about ready to reveal it to you. So you guys follow me and I'm going to show you exactly what that project is. All right, everyone, this is our new project. We are going to be growing our own food. And talk about being super excited about it. Like I said earlier, I am definitely going to be into more fresh fruits this year and veggies this year. And what better way to introduce those things into my diet but to grow and harvest it ourselves. Now obviously you can get these things from the grocery store, but they come with a hefty price. If you're looking for those things that are absent the chemicals and the pesticides, and then also the shelf life can be in question. So what better way to make sure that you have something that you know exactly what goes into it, and also being able to go outside your back door and pick it yourselves than to grow it yourselves. So you guys, so far this is what we've done. We have checked the zone to find out what growing zone that we're in, the growing season, decided exactly what it is that we're going to be growing, and based on all those things, purchase the supplies and the equipment, which is what I'm showing you today. So these are the raised planters that we purchased. Got these off of Amazon. You guys, look at these things. Again, very, very, very excited about it. And it was a toss-up as far as whether or not to do just the raised elevated beds or just the elevated ones, which are the ones that are on the ground. And we definitely decided to go this route first because we are learning. So do it this way, and then if we want to expand, then we're going to go into the elevated beds as well. So I have two of these, and then as you can see here, this is more of a ladder style. And then also we've got the growing bags. The growing bags we can use for potatoes and tomatoes and maybe even some carrots. And I also made mention of the fact that some of the things that we're going to be growing, we got the seeds from a local vendor right here, okay? And some of the things that we're going to be growing and harvesting in our garden is going to be some broccoli, some cabbage, carrots, collards, cucumbers, eggplant, celery, you guys, thyme, cilantro, oregano, kale, lettuce, onions, peppers, spinach, tomatoes. Again, we are going to be good for the upcoming months. And also, we are starting from seeds. So in order to start the seedlings, we decided that we are just going to start them in something you can buy. You can buy containers. You can buy these pellets, okay, which is what I opted to do for some of the bigger plants. So I got the pellets here, purchase these off of Amazon, or use what we have around the house. And that being these egg cartons. So what we're going to do is we are going to take the soil, put it in here, plant the seeds in here, and then make sure everything gets the sufficient light that it needs so that in a few short weeks, you guys, we will have our seedlings that will be ready to transplant into the containers that you see here. So you guys, this is our new project. Yes, you guys, I am super, super, super excited about this brand new project. I'm going to be a gardener. Looking so forward to having that first veggie pop his little head out of the soil. Looking forward to harvesting my very first vegetable. Looking forward to bringing it to my table. Looking forward to using it in my recipes, and looking forward to having you guys continue on this journey with me as I learn and grow. Thank you guys so very much for joining me. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button below. And again, this is where you'll find recipes, this is where you find exercise, and now I'm adding gardener to my resume. So if you've got any tips for me, please do leave it in the comments, because again, this is a brand new journey for me and I am learning. So I will accept any of your suggestions, and thank you so much for your support. Remember, you guys, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit 550. Thank you guys, and I'll see you soon.